Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out the Shark ZU102 Rotator Pet Upright Vacuum, a machine packed with features tailored to tackle everything from pet hair to dust. Whether you're dealing with carpets, hard floors, or tricky areas like stairs, this vacuum promises to make cleaning simpler, faster, and more efficient. Let's get into what it brings to the table and whether it lives up to the hype. The Shark ZU102 is designed with pet owners in mind, thanks to its PowerFins HairPro technology. These active fins are specifically engineered to grip and capture stubborn hair, whether it's long, short, or your furry friend's favorite shedding type. On top of that, it comes with a self-cleaning brush roll that eliminates the dreaded hair wrap, making it a dream for anyone who's tired of untangling their vacuum after every use. If you've ever had issues with hair clinging to your brush roll, you'll appreciate this feature. Another key feature is its odor-neutralizer technology, a handy addition to keep your home smelling fresh while you clean. This vacuum is designed to reduce odors inside the vacuum, which means fewer unpleasant smells circulating through your living space during and after cleaning. The ZU102 also features Shark's anti-allergen complete seal technology, combined with a HEPA filter, which traps 99.99% of dust and allergens, improving the air quality in your home. This makes it a solid choice for allergy sufferers or anyone looking to reduce airborne particles. The 3XL dust cup is another standout feature, holding more debris so you don't have to stop and empty it every few minutes. This is especially useful for larger homes or long cleaning sessions. With a 2.9-liter capacity, it lets you clean more without interruption, keeping things convenient and efficient. Speaking of convenience, the extendable hose reaches up to 12 feet, making it easier to clean above-floor areas like stairs and furniture. No more struggling with awkward angles or limited reach. This hose gives you flexibility when tackling those hard-to-reach spots. Let's talk maneuverability. The Shark ZU102 is equipped with swivel steering, which allows you to glide around furniture, corners, and tight spaces without hassle. If you've ever struggled with heavy, bulky vacuums that make cleaning difficult, this model offers an impressive improvement in terms of handling. Its lightweight design and ease of movement through tight spots make it a solid pick for most households. In real-world testing, the Shark ZU102 delivers solid performance across various surface types. On carpets, it pulls up embedded dirt and pet hair without a problem. The PowerFins HairPro does its job well, even on thicker carpet fibers, lifting pet hair that would normally be a struggle to clean. On hard floors, it efficiently picks up debris, dust, and even those pesky crumbs that tend to linger. We also tried cleaning stairs, upholstery, and even the car interior using the included pet multi-tool and crevice tool. Both tools are highly effective in these scenarios, giving you the ability to clean every nook and cranny. The hose's extension really shines here, making it easy to reach high or awkward spots. However, it's not all perfect. The Shark ZU102 is powerful, but it can be a bit noisy during operation, especially when you're in the higher suction modes. The noise level may be a consideration if you're sensitive to loud sounds while cleaning. Also, though it handles long pet hair very well, some shorter strands tend to get tangled in the brush roll if you don't clean it regularly. It's worth noting that the self-cleaning brush roll is designed to minimize this, but some hair still requires occasional maintenance. The overall build quality feels sturdy, with most parts made from durable plastic. It's not the most premium-feeling vacuum in terms of materials, but it's built to last and handles day-to-day use with ease. Maintenance is pretty straightforward. The dust cup is easy to empty, and the filter and brush roll can be cleaned or replaced as needed. The extended reach hose and swivel steering are practical and contribute to making this a versatile vacuum that works in various situations, from low to high pile carpet to pet hair management. Considering the price point, the Shark ZU102 provides good value for money. It's a mid-range option that competes well with other vacuums offering similar features. When you factor in its performance on carpets and hard floors, the inclusion of a self-cleaning brush roll, and the extra convenience of the odor neutralizer, it's clear that this vacuum is engineered to meet the needs of pet owners and allergy sufferers alike. When compared to similar models in this category, the ZU102 holds its ground, particularly with its high-performance cleaning capabilities and the useful attachments included in the box. In terms of alternatives, the Shark ZU102 stands up well against vacuums from brands like Bissell and Dyson, especially in the same price range. While Dyson offers some premium options with advanced features, Shark ZU102 delivers similar performance at a more accessible price. For example, the Bissell pet hair eraser has comparable suction power, but lacks the extendable hose and odor neutralizer features of the ZU102. If you're in the market for a versatile, pet-focused vacuum with strong suction and allergen control, the Shark ZU102 is a solid choice. The build quality of the Shark ZU102 speaks to its durability. While it may not feel as high-end as some premium models, it holds up well under regular use. The plastics are sturdy and all the tools fit snugly, minimizing any risk of parts breaking down prematurely. Shark's 5-year warranty provides peace of mind when it comes to long-term reliability, which is a nice bonus. As for customer support, Shark has generally received positive feedback for their service, though we recommend checking recent reviews for any specific concerns regarding after-sales care. To wrap it all up, the Shark ZU102 Rotator Pet Upright Vacuum with PowerFins HairPro is a strong contender in its price range. It's especially ideal for homes with pets, allergy sufferers, or anyone who wants an efficient machine to handle all surfaces, carpet, hard floors, and beyond. While it's not perfect, with some minor maintenance required for hair cleanup and occasional noise, it stands out for its overall value. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use vacuum that won't break the bank, the Shark ZU102 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in picking up the Shark ZU102, you'll find the link in the comments box below. Let us know your thoughts if you already own this model or if you have any questions. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your air fresh.